4.0 earthquake 92 kilometers northeast of Tobelo, Kabupaten Halmahera Utara, North Maluku, Indonesia, on Saturday, September 24, 2022 at 10:33 p.m. GMT +9, local time, 48 minutes ago. Updated, September 24, 2022, 14:03 Greenwich Mean Time, 18 minutes ago. Refresh. According to the German rsarch Geoscience for Geological Survey, I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, new, seismograms, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in Indonesia, North Maluku. Light magnitude 4.0 earthquake at 228 kilometers depth. Please like, share SB Psycrave and press bill in our channel for more information. KHTV.